Hi, students. This is Miss Parker. I sure did miss you. Before spring break, we were talking a little bit about coordinate grids, but we didn't get into it much because we were going to do it after spring break. So we're going to do some of that now. I'm going to teach you, and then I'm going to assign you some things on your STEM scopes. And so after this video, get on your STEM scopes and try your assignments. One assignment is just this practice board. It's just this virtual manipulative, and you can play with it. You can make shapes out of these bands over here, and you can plot points on this coordinate graph. And so this one's just kind of a thing for you to play around with. But I want to show you, in case you don't remember, the bottom line across, that's the x-axis. See how it goes from 0 in the corner all the way over here to 12? That's your x-axis. And then the line going up vertically is the y-axis, and it goes up to 12 as well. And then in the corner, you have the 0. This is where you always start. This is your origin. And so, like, if I had this on the floor, last year I put this in my classroom floor really big, and I would have my students last year stand here, and I'd given them ordered pair, like, say, 5, 2. Okay, 5, 2. And they would have to, you always go over and then up. So they would have to walk over 5 and land, and then 5, 2, they'd have to go up 2, boom, boom, and this is where they would land. Do we put a dot on there? Maybe. Well, I don't know how to get to work, really. Do you drag it? Oh. Y'all going to play around with this. There. And then look, it shows your order pair, 5, 2. At the bottom, you can turn off this if you don't want to show the the ordered pair, or you turn on, but 5, 2. Let's try one more. What if you had one that said go over 2, 3? Then we would go over 2 and up 3. I guess you have to drag that. Over 2 and up 3. Is that what I said? I hope. Yeah, 2, 3. And so this is a virtual manipulative for you to play with. And then the thing that you'll also have a worksheet that you're going to complete and turn in. It's not exactly like this one, but this is an example. It's close to this, but it's going to have a few more ordered pairs for you to plot, and there will be a few more letters for you to find out what their order pair is that goes with them. And so this is just an example page. So I've got up here for you that the first number is the X, how much you go over, and the next number is the Y, how much you go up. So let's go down here and find 8, 3. I better make sure I have a big thick line for that. Okay, 8, 3. So we go down to the origin. We start going over first, over to 8 and up to 3. Boom. That was where that one is going to be located. And the next one is over 10 and up 0. Over 10. Oh, and up 0, that means I don't move up any. So it's going to be right there on the line, on the x-axis. Okay, so the first part of your assignment is going to be, you find about 6 of those, 6 of these. And the second part is going to give you like a W and N or different letters, and you're going to have to figure out where they are. So a little bit different. So you're going to have to, so first let's do the W. Wow, it is, we always start at the origin. It is over 3 and up 8. So it would be 3, 8. And then the N, and you would just write that in here. And I do not write very well on the Chromebook. I don't have I didn't plug in my mouse like a silly. You know how Miss Parker does silly things sometimes. That was silly. And we'll pretend like that's an 8. 3, 8, but you would put it in here. I just can't write that small. And then the N would be over to 10. Yeah, over to 10 and up 6. So it would be 10, 6. Okay. So you're going to try that with your assignments. Turn it into me, and I will let you know how you do. I'm so proud of you, and I miss you guys, and I love you so much. Bye.